Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use rubber top coat. First, begin by preparing your nails, ensuring they are clean, dry, and perfectly shaped. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of your preferred base coat, making sure to cap the free edge. Cure this base coat under a UV or LED lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. This crucial first step creates a strong foundation for your manicure. Now, let's apply the star of the show, the rubber top coat. Take a generous but not excessive amount on your brush. Apply a medium, even layer over your cured gel polish color, ensuring you cover the entire nail surface. Remember to cap the free edge to prevent chipping and enhance durability. Be careful not to let the top coat flood your cuticles or sidewalls, as this can lead to lifting. Once applied, it's time to cure your rubber top coat. Place your hand under a UV lamp for 2 minutes or an LED lamp for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on the lamp's power. After curing, allow your nails to cool for about 30 seconds. Finally, gently wipe away the sticky inhibition layer using a lint-free wipe saturated with 99% isopropyl alcohol. This reveals a beautiful, high-gloss finish. Using a rubber top coat offers fantastic benefits for your manicure. Its unique flexibility helps prevent chipping and cracking, extending the life of your nails significantly. You can expect a durable, high-gloss finish that lasts for up to 3 weeks with proper application. To keep your nails looking their best, remember to moisturize your cuticles daily with a nourishing nail oil. Enjoy your beautiful, resilient manicure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.